Hey guys, it's Tamara Bennett from Southern Adornments Decor, and we're going to paint another little scalloped heart. So if you guys remember, we painted one of these just a few weeks ago, and we painted it with a flower pattern. Tonight we're going to be doing leopard print. I don't get to paint leopard print very often, so I hope you guys will join me and learn something new. So this is the shape we're painting, and as you can see, I already took my General's charcoal pencil and drew the basic heart shape right there in the center, and we're just going to start by painting the center pink. This is called Royal Fuchsia. All of the paints I'm using tonight are Decoart Americana paint. So I know it's backwards. We're working in selfie mode here, and it drives me nuts to watch myself in the mirror image. So hopefully I have enough of this pink. I may not. If I don't, we'll substitute something else that I have. We're going to squeeze out as much of it as I can to start with, because I love this color. Okay, so it's called Royal Fuchsia. Alright, I'm just going to use a flat tip brush, and we're just going to paint right inside the center of this heart. If you're watching this on replay, because I've been uploading all of my videos to YouTube, you can get this template in the free library. Just click the link in the description box below, and we will have that provided for you there. How many of you guys like this new vertical format? Do you like it or no? Because I usually do all of my videos in landscape mode, but I've realized I can get much closer with the vertical format. So I've kind of been enjoying doing the videos that way. So y'all let me know what you guys think about it. So I have good news. I know I told you guys Tuesday was this past Tuesday was the last day to buy your ticket to the Southern Adornments live show, but we got an email or a call or something from Hilton in Nashville, and they have some more rooms available, and they are going to extend the deadline for us so that we can still book rooms using the discounted room rate. And so I was just shocked that they offered to do that. So I'm excited. We have 12 tickets left. So if any of you guys are still wanting to come, we do still have rooms available at the discounted room rate that you can get. And you can go and sign up at southernadornmentsdecor.com/live-event. That event is going to be March 21st through the 23rd in Nashville, Tennessee at the Hilton Garden Inn near the airport. You want to say hi, Charlie?
Yeah.
This is Charlie. In case you guys have never met my daughter, she's 3. Did you put on chapstick? Mm-mm. Then why are we rubbing our lips together? You checking out yourself in the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
You have a sore throat? Yeah, a little bit. Oh, don't cough on camera. Okay, well, tell them bye. Mama's got to get back to work.
Bye.
Thank you. Okay, so we've got the center painted with the Decoart Americana Royal Fuchsia. And I'm going to dry this real quick. Shouldn't take but like 10 seconds. Bear with me. Thank you to you guys who have been sharing the video. I really appreciate it. Okay, next we are going to do our leopard print here in the center and work our way out. Where's my, okay, I've got some gold paint. This is a different kind of gold paint than you guys have ever seen me use, but it is Decoart Americana Metallics, a bright metallic paint. And it comes in this huge jar that will last you forever. It's an 8-ounce jar, but it covers really well. Look at that. It's nice and thick. Okay. So let me pick out a brush here. I'm going to use probably a filbert tip brush. Filbert tip just means it's kind of rounded up there at the top. I'm just going to get a little off the lid here. And for leopard print, we're going to start with the centers of the leopard print. And we're just going to do kind of a wiggly little circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're also going to do some glitter in a few minutes. So glitter and metallic. This is going to be one sassy heart. So I'm just going to do some of these wiggly little spots. They don't have to be a certain size or anything. And some of them are going to be going kind of halfway off the edge here. I was actually inspired to do this leopard print because someone on Instagram painted a glitter, or kind of a glittery tumbler. You know those glittered tumblers? They painted it pink with leopard print like this, and as soon as I saw it, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. And somebody actually watched our tutorial where we painted, did you guys catch the tutorial where we painted one of these hearts with flowers? That was what we did a couple of weeks ago. It was the same exact shape heart, but we painted it with a flower pattern. Well, one of the girls watched that tutorial, and she used the tutorial to learn to paint flowers on her tumbler. And it was the neatest thing. I shared it on my Instagram stories. If you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. Okay, let me just give it a quick look over. It looks like it needs one kind of up here going halfway off. And that looks pretty good. They don't have to cover really, really well because we're going to be putting glitter down. So, as you can see, we just have some wiggly little spots. That's all we got so far. Did you say the gold was Deco-Art? Yes, I'll show you the jar again. It's Deco-Art Metallics. I love how well it covers. Okay, we're going to let that dry for just a second, and we're going to do the outlines around the leopard print that makes it look more like leopard print. And I'm just using regular black. And I'm going to get a smaller filbert tip brush. Actually, no. I'm going to get a round tip brush. So this is a round tip, like this. Okay, so we've got the black, and we're just going to kind of wiggle around the edge here. Don't go all the way around necessarily. On some of them, you might want to go part way around one side and part way around the other. There's not really a rule, other than the only real rule you have is not to go all the way around. So I wouldn't want to like completely outline it because as you know, leopard spots aren't completely outlined in black, just partially. And just kind of make it wiggly. So if you have a shaky hand, leopard print is easy to do for you. Easy, easy.
But the thing is 2 batteries. You can try this.
I forgot to shut the door to my craft room, so you're hearing all kinds of stuff in the hallway. Charlie, can you shut the door, please?
Shut the door.
This is going to be quick and easy. Looky there. Oh. There's our leopard print. We're going to go back and put glitter in the middle of those in just a few minutes. Don't forget to share the videos. I think we're going to do, I was thinking I might do gold around the outside, but that might be too light now that I'm thinking about it. I think I'm changing my mind on that. I think I might just do black around the edge or white. What do you think? Black or white? Let's take a vote. All right, it seems like black is the consensus, so we are going to paint the outside edge black. So I'm just going to switch to a flat tip brush because those are just kind of my favorite. Here we go. So just a flat tip brush. Whoop, there we go. And we're just going to paint the edges. And then we'll go back and add that glitter and some more details on the outside border. I'm going to use this on my welcome sign that's on my front porch. I painted the letters for those on a Facebook Live, I think, back in the fall. It was probably back in August or September, but this will go where the letter O would go. So I changed that out for every season. I actually did one a couple of weeks ago with the hearts on it, but we have 2 of those welcome signs. And one of them is on the front porch, and the other one is going to go by the door in the garage. So I get to do 2 attachments. And I usually get asked how I attach those to the porch sign. I use industrial Velcro, the kind that has like the sticky back, so you just peel the backing off of it and you tack it onto the porch sign. I love the industrial Velcro though. It's nice and strong. It's not going to fall off. Can you guys see all right? Colleen says, did you decide on a design for the shirt for the live event? She is asking about, we had a t-shirt contest, t-shirt design contest for the live event in March in Nashville, Tennessee. Colleen, the deadline to submit designs is January 31st. We will pick 2 designs on February 1st for you guys to choose from, and we'll take a vote. So you can still submit designs for that. The only thing we ask is that the design you submit be digitized, so that it's not like a picture of something. It has to be either scanned in or created digitally and sent to me as a JPEG or a PNG image. And then it also needs to say Southern Adornments Live 2019. You love the black with the bright pink. I do too. Isn't it still going on? Yes, it is still going on. Kristen said, can you post a picture of your porch sign? Yes, ma'am. I will include a picture of the porch sign after I get it probably on the porch sign tomorrow. I will post that in the comments, and then I'll also do a post on the page with it. You can be good at this. Somebody said, I wish I could do this. You can. Just follow the instructions and the steps that I'm giving you. I promise you. It might feel kind of like out of your element at first, but then you're going to get better and better and better at it. Amanda says that's a sassy heart. You got it right, it is. Okay, we've got to dry this really good so that we can apply some DecoArt Craft Twinkles. I've never played with these before, so I'm excited. Thank you, Cynthia. Jessica says, I have my mind set to do it, but I don't know how to get started. Okay, Jessica, first you need to figure out where you're going to get your wooden cutout from. You can either buy it from me. I have this shape for sale in my shop. Or you can comment template, and it will send the paper template download to your Facebook Messenger. Then you just print it out at home, cut it out, trace it on wood, and either use a scroll saw or a jigsaw or something like that to cut it out. If you're scared of power tools, you can probably find somebody who will cut it for you, like a dad, a brother, an uncle, a neighbor. Jessica, if you want to buy the blank cutout from me, there's different sizes. You can get it as small as 6 inches, kind of like a car charm or an ornament size. This is the 12-inch size. We also offer 8-inch size. 8-inch size is good for door hanger attachments. So if you're going to put Velcro on the back of it and attach it to a door hanger, I would recommend the 8-inch size. This is 12-inch, which would be great for wreath attachments and porch sign attachments. Lisa says, is it too late to order a Painters Club house shirt for day 2? No, we have not come up with that design yet. So we will release that design in February. If you haven't shared the video yet, I would appreciate it if you'd hit the share button. So, okay, I'm using a really thick round tip brush this time. Can you see that? And here's what my Craft Twinkles look like in the egg carton. In case you guys didn't know, I put my paint in egg cartons. It keeps it from drying out, keeps the paint all in one nice little puddle. Ooh, how pretty. Look at that. Thank you for sharing, Tammy. Okay, let me get you guys just a little closer so you can see this like glittery goodness. Can I angle this down? Surely I can. Okay. There we go. That's a little better. All right. So I'm gonna kind of dab instead of brushing, because the dabbing puts it on a little thicker and the brushing spreads it out. Does that make sense? So the dabbing is gonna put it on much thicker. This is gonna be one super sassy heart. Look at that glitter. Thank you for sharing, Robbie. Thank you, Tara. I think it's cute too. We'll go back in just a moment and add some details around the edge. This is a little, maybe less messier, is that a word? Messier? Than using like Mod Podge and glitter. Because it's kind of like the glue and the glitter's already mixed together. And this is DecoArt Craft Twinkles. They come in several different glitter colors. And if you guys need to buy some of these and don't have the link, let me know. I will put the link down in the comments, or if you're on YouTube, in the description area, so that you can go and buy some of these. Because I know not everybody has a Hobby Lobby or a Michael's just down the road. All right, we need some more. You like my long brushes? I do sometimes, Marilyn. It just depends on what kind of project I'm doing. I like it for this project. Or do you mean the length of the handles? I bet you mean the length of the handles. They get on my nerves sometimes. I feel like they get in the way. I thought you meant the long bristles on these. I do like the long bristles. They tend to help with gathering up that glue and gobbing it on there like I want it to. I'm applying it pretty generously, so this is going to take a little while to dry. But it's going to be so pretty. Certainly is a sassy door hanger design. I would love to see this on a wreath. Some of you guys who are wreath makers, this would be awesome on a wreath. Okay, I got them all glittered, didn't I? Some of them need a little bit more. Let me add a little more to this one. Oh, and I glopped a little bit right there. Okay, look at the glitter. So sparkly. Isn't that pretty? You love my earrings. Well, let me tell you what. These earrings came from the Refabbed Boutique. So if you guys don't know my friend, Brooke Riley, she is the girl behind Refabbed, and she has a boutique called Refabbed Boutique, and that's where I got these. I love them. They're like my favorites. Okay, now we're just going to get just a little bit of white, and I got to lick my brush to get the bristles all straight. Don't laugh at me. She is awesome, isn't she? I just spent some time with her in New Orleans this past week. It was so fun. If you didn't paint under Twinkles, would it be clear? It probably would be, because the glue in the Twinkles is clear. So by putting the metallic gold paint behind the Twinkles, it made it to where, you know, it's not clear and splotchy. So you kind of do have to do both. Yes, Jessica, they do have a Facebook page. Just search Refabbed Boutique and you'll find it. Okay, I'm just going to do kind of like 3 little dots on each one and a cute little swoop. And I'm putting the dots kind of like in a triangle shape. Keeping it simple here. Let me go ahead and just do all of these, and then we'll just do a bunch of dots. Oh, somebody put the Refab Boutique. Thank you, Hannah. You're awesome. Hannah put the link in there for you. Tell Brooke I sent you. I ordered a second pair of earrings from her lately, this weekend, and they are really, really glittery silver, but they were a little over the top for this shirt that I'm wearing, so I couldn't wear them today. I would have looked a little bit like I was too jazzy, because I'm dressed down, and they would have been too crazy. Okay, there we go. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and never too sparkly, Mary, never too sparkly. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I hope you guys paint one of these and send me a picture. See you later. Bye.